In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block out times on Calendly. Whether you're planning a vacation or just need some time to focus, learning to manage your calendar effectively is crucial. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and head over to calendly.com. Once there, you'll notice a few options on the page. What we're interested in right now is the login button. Go ahead and click on that. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one, but assuming you do, input your email address in the provided field. After you've entered your email, click continue. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Make sure it's secure, and if you haven't already, consider using a password manager for added security and convenience. Once entered, click continue again. Now you're on the home dashboard of Calendly, where you'll have a panoramic view of your scheduling setup. Here, look for a tab labeled availability. This is where the magic happens for scheduling and managing your time. Click on it to access its options. You will see a list view that displays your current availability settings. Scroll through this list to get familiar with your current scheduling configurations. Now, let's say you have specific dates in mind when you're not available. For that, search for an option called Date Specific Hours and click on it. This feature allows you to modify your availability on particular days without affecting your entire schedule. Do you see the button labeled plus hours? Clicking this will enable you to add blocks of time to specific dates. You'll be shown a calendar interface, an easy and intuitive way to select the days you need to block out. Go ahead and pick the days you're planning to be unavailable. Once you've carefully selected your dates, find and click on the apply button. This is a crucial step that ensures all your changes get saved properly. After a moment, you'll notice your blocked off times are now visibly marked as unavailable. This confirms that those slots are no longer open for new bookings. That's it. You've successfully learned how to manage your availability using Calendly. Remember, you can always come back to add or remove time blocks as your schedule changes. With that level of flexibility, you're empowered to maintain control over your commitments with ease.